How to activate Microsoft Entra ID P2 license. For that, we need to log into Microsoft Azure portal. Then you have to navigate to Microsoft Entra ID. Then you have to go to the licensing tab. In licensing part, it is not available. So you have to go to the overview here. Here there will be an option called quick tasks. Here there is an option called get a free trial. Here just click, come down. There is an option called Microsoft Entra ID P2. Click means expand the free trial option. There is an option called activate. So it will be enable the Microsoft Entra ID P2. It would be helpful for doing activity uh, like related to the Microsoft and Entra ID, anything like there are many tasks we can able to perform. So it is very useful for the SC300 uh, IAM exam. IAM called Identity and Access Management. So thank you.